So what types of research you can do in these in the clustering scenario, I'll tell. Okay, so first thing is cluster formation. How the cluster is formed? Cluster is formed based upon the three main types: region based, mobility based and vehicle based. Region based clustering is like in this example, you can see there are two clusters based upon the region. Okay, so in that case region based clustering is there. You can do region based clustering, but region based clustering are obsolete now. Means it is well known that mobility based clustering perform better than the region based clustering. However, in some cases region based clustering may be better. So in region based clustering what happens? All the vehicles of a particular area forms a cluster, and any one particular vehicle from that area will be selected as cluster head. Okay. Now mobility based clustering is what? The vehicles which has the less relative mobility in comparison to other vehicles. Means a group of vehicles which has the less relative mobility in comparison of other vehicles, those vehicles form a group, that is called cluster, and that type of clustering is called mobility based clustering. Okay. So and third type is vehicle based clustering. Vehicle based clustering means it is generally done in the cities which are very highly developed. Like some vehicles, suppose the city buses travel through the same route. Okay, that may act upon the cluster, means they cluster head, and area surrounding it, that vehicle may form a cluster. However, the vehicle based clustering was used in very few papers, and now I have not seen any recent papers on it. Most of the work is done in the mobility based clustering. Now how you can extend your research in mobility based clustering or region based clustering, that I will tell you. Second thing is cluster head selection. What is cluster head selection? As in this example I told you, this is the cluster head and here this is the cluster head. So there are some methods to select the cluster head. First method is region based again. Region based means whichever vehicle is at the center of a particular cluster, that is selected as the cluster head. Like this vehicle, it is in the center of the closest from the center of the cluster, then it is selected as cluster head. In first cluster, the grey vehicle is selected as cluster head. Why? Because it is at the near to the center of the cluster. So this is called the region based clustering. Now mobility based clustering is what? When whichever vehicle has the least relative mobility in comparison to all the cluster members, that is selected as cluster head. Why it is done like that, mobility based? Because in region based clustering what may happen, the cluster may be at that particular point of time at the center of the vehicle, at the center of the cluster, but the speed might be high of that vehicle in comparison to other cluster members. So in that case mobility based will work. But the problem with mobility based cluster head selection is what? This cluster head can be at the edge of the cluster, means this might be the cluster head. So if this is the cluster head, there is the high chances that it will leave the cluster soon. Okay, because it is at the edge of the cluster. So in that case there are some limitations of region based and there are some limitations of mobility based. So there is one protocol that decides the cluster head based on region and mobility both. So region and mobility based clustering means we set a weight function or trade-off. Okay, which vehicle has the lowest relative mobility as well as it is most closest to the center. Okay, we set a trade-off between those two parameters and select the cluster head according to that. Okay.